Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Got a 1964 Corvette, numbers matching, 365 horsepower. Very desirable motor, 4-speed, 336 posi, numbers match. This thing was frame off restored in the 80s, but it was the same owner from 1987 till 2019. 32 years, the car's still in excellent shape. Visit volocars.com. You can study 100 pictures, read all the specs, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a couple hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoy the videos. Click on the bell icon and you'll be notified as new videos come out. But right now, top is down. There's a 4-speed between the seats. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the fellow that we got this car from, longtime customer of Volo. When I was a kid, he was buying cars from my dad. He's a collector. As a matter of fact, he has a manufacturing plant that makes cars for the auto industry. He bought this car in the 80s, had a complete nut and bolt correct restoration done. I mean, the thing is right, and it's held up all these years, and it looks phenomenal. There's about 5,500 miles on it since it's been restored. The body is in excellent condition. The paint is beautiful. This is the lowest production color of that year. It's a very classy color, like a champagne metallic color with the saddle interior. I think it's beautiful. This looks new. The emblem still looks new. The tail lights, lenses, bumpers, license plate frame, the correct antenna, all that stuff's mint. The lid is in really nice shape here. Got knockoff wheels, BF Goodrich radial tires. This is all real nice. Door handle, the bow tie mirror, all looks really nice. The stainless trim is good. It's not polished out like chrome, but it's not beat up. It's in nice shape. The rubber gasket's soft. The vent window pillar's real nice. The emblems are real nice. I'll open the headlights in a minute. They do work. Bumpers look real nice. The bumpers sit nice and square. They're not, it doesn't look like it's been hit. The headlight buckets also sit in here real nice and square. Windshield's real clear. There is a chip right here from the convertible top. The frame must have hit it, so there is a chip right there. Interior's real nice. There's new cushions in the seats, the door panels, the knobs, all the gauges, instruments. It's all in excellent shape. Glove box door is mint. The weather strips are in real nice shape. There's no trunk to open, so it's throwing me off. It has the correct 4-speed shifter with the reverse lockout. No cracks in the steering wheel. It has a tan convertible top. The top frame looks like it's all restored. All the carpet back here is really nice. It's got seat belts, the original AM/FM radio. The clock has quartz movement in it. The tachometer is a 6500 redline tach. That's what would have come with the 365 horse engine. This motor was a big deal. It was 327 cubic inches. They didn't make more horsepower than cubic inches back then, but this one certainly did, and it runs strong. I'd put this up against the big block. So VIN number matched original motor. It's got all the right components, the aluminum intake, the right hose clamps, ignition shielding, the exhaust manifolds, the air cleaner, all that looks proper. It has deep groove pulleys, so the belts don't fly off at high RPMs. That was also part of the 365 horse package. It's got the overflow bottle. Everything looks proper in here, really nice. Underneath the car is all clean. Again, it was all restored, and it's been maintained, so it's not, it hasn't just been left neglected or sit to rot somewhere. He did put 5,500 miles on it. That's all in mint shape. Trying to pick up some stations, but we're in this metal building, doesn't work out too well. To make sure it was in neutral. Didn't think it was. Oh, now I kicked down the choke. Let me restart it for you. Sorry about that. The choke was doing its job, letting it run at a high idle till it warms up. I disengaged the choke, that's why it shut off. Looks like we have a headlight burned out. Headlights obviously open real well. We got a headlight bulb burned out. Every car goes through the shop before it leaves here, and they catch all the little stuff like that. They do a basic inspection when it comes in, make sure it looks good and functions right, and then they check it out a second time when the car leaves. So visit volocars.com. Any concerns about the car or the process? There are plenty of ways on there to contact us. We can help with financing and delivery as well. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified first as the next video comes out. Thanks for watching.